Let's learn running stitch. We'll be sewing from right to left, holding the needle in our right hand. Our left hand will be holding the fabric between the thumb and first finger. First, you'll make a small stitch to secure your thread. Bring your needle down and back up through the fabric, catching a small amount of fabric on your needle. Pull through your thread and repeat. Let's do the running stitch. Push the needle back down through the first hole of your secure stitch. Bring the needle back up through the fabric with a gap of around 5 mil. Use your left hand to fold and feed the fabric onto the needle, feeding 3 to 4 folds of fabric at a time, and pull through your thread. Holding the needle close to the tip and using your left hand to fold and feed the fabric onto the needle will give you really good control. Repeat this process until you reach the end of your fabric or the desired length of stitching. Just make sure your stitches hasn't puckered your fabric. To carry on with rows of running stitch, turn your fabric around in your hand so the end of the row of running stitch is now in your right hand. Make 1 stitch vertically, bringing your needle and thread onto the right side of your stitches, and repeat the process. When you have finished your running stitch, secure your stitch as you did at the beginning. Happy stitching!